Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you the very important query in linq. So today I'm going to start the new series to learn the linq. So it's a very important part to in a automation. So it's a part of the .NET works. So as a C# or .NET, so we will use this linq query to in an advanced part so that we could get a result in a small to write a small code. So guys, this is very important part, so please if you really like this video, please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends so that I will make more like this video to help you out for any kind of problems in a learning of UiPath. So guys, this is the agenda of this video. So today I'm going to going to teach you this is the linq query. So where I have some records in Excel, so I want the bot will run this record until the end row found. So for example, if bot will get any found any blank row, so it will run only take the data until this row. So like it will take 1 2 3 19 and 4 like that. So if until and unless they will get the data get the blank record, that will store the data in a data table. So another example of my, so in a array where I store the some values in an array like some recipes. So I fire the query linq query so that I will get the record where is only chicken found. So it will give the result like first and second, and it's first occurrence of the record, so it will get only 2 records here and the result. So let's move to the examples, and I will show you the very like how it's going to work. So I have already created this 2 flows, so I will show you the first sequence of it. So in the first sequence I call a one using Excel application scope, and where I'm calling one file, so which is name is this sheet 1. So where I have some records like ID and name of that particular person, and for example I want to read the record until I get the one blank row, so I want this particular record to read it. So this is a highlighted record, so I want only this record until we get the blank row. So for this I write this linq query here. So I convert this data table into one into dt 2 and dt. So here I have a query. The query is this one. This is that your data tables which I read it already, this one. And after that I used as enumerable and take file functions. Then take file functions, the agenda of this video to give you a brief introductions about the take file function. That is very important in your projects, and you can easily find a best result using this function. So take file functions, it's taking the I'm creating the one functions like this is a functions and row, and row.item.any functions.column not string is null or empty. So this is the important functions where I am finding the null value. So column.string, then copy to data table. So I will show you the result so that you could understand very well how the result is coming out. So I take one output data tables where I pass the data table, and I use this data table the string to take the value in a string format. So let me run this query so that you could understand. Sometime you will get this type of scenarios in your projects where you want to fetch the data when until the process like get any blank row. So in that scenario, this query is very helpful for you. And small quotes, linq is very popular query structures syntax where you can get the very good result. Like you will see this one, the result sections. We found the result 1 2 3 19 and 4 until we get the blank row. So here the blank row, and it is read this data only. So it is left this all the bottom of the data, and it's when it's finished the reading of the record. So that is the first syntax of the linq query. And so I will paste this query to my in my sections in my YouTube, like in a bottom, so that you will check it out, that one, and you will go through it and make your scenarios and use this query. So the other query is like that: I create one array in assigned section, and I have one array where all the dish name is here, and the array is a string type, and I put some values there, like a chicken, this all the recipes which I put it here. And in my linq query, I writing the query here. So if you will go this query, you will check it out, my first the array value, and it's take while function x. I'm creating the this is function x, and then x dot contain, where the contain the first occurrence of contain chicken. So it is find that result until the chicken is finished, like here is chicken, here is chicken is mentioned. So after that there is only a fish, so no chicken. So it will take the records only these two values. For example, if you put any other value, or if you want to remove this fish one, for example, if you want to remove first example, so let me show you the first run, then I will manipulate these things and show you the what this query is run how. So I will save it this one and go and run this one. First of all, I will check this connected. Yeah, it's connected now. So I will check it out and run. Yeah, it is done. And guys, you will see the result in a output section. Yeah, so found the result in chicken 65, and this one, this is two values we fetch it here, for example. And if you will see your like your array, you only get this two values until the chicken is finished. There's other values coming, fish, or like if we want to remove this fish one also, this is value. Okay, so I removed this value as well. So now we supposed to get the result, this one, second and third, this three all we get the result, and fourth one it's left it. So I will run again. Let me clear this output and go and run again. Yeah, so guys, we get this result 3 chicken 65, this one, and this 3 results we found it. So this is a very important functions in a linq which we can use, and we can get the result as we want. So guys, please go through it and check these functions and try it in of your scenarios and all, and you will it's very helpful for you. And if you like this video, guys, please subscribe and please like my channels, put the notifications button, so that I will be happy to do that. The others, I will create the other videos. It will give me the like appreciations to make the other videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot, and take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.